Today we're going to talk about one of the best treatment for various painful condition where there is pain in the neck, inflammation and stiffness of neck. Although Ayurveda has a wide range of treatment options, wide range of formulations, procedures that cures painful conditions right from its root cause, today we're going to discuss a very easy, simple and a result-oriented remedy, a result-oriented procedure that all of y'all can very easily do it at home and get the best results from day one. Of course, when it comes to pain or painful condition, diagnosis is very important. But just in case if you're not accessible to any of the Ayurvedic doctors or Ayurvedic treatments and have done everything for the pain, but still the pain is there and it is not reduced, still everyday basis for your headaches, for your pain, for your stiffness, you have to take a medicine or you have to, bear the pain. Here's something that you must definitely follow. How to do it at home is something we're going to talk about in this video. Watch till the end to get the detailed information about what Ayurveda has to offer when it comes to neck pain or various painful condition. What are the oils or what are the formulations that we generally use while doing this process. Everything for you in this particular video. Watch till the end and let us begin. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Jyovis. In today's time, neck pain or stiffness is a very common symptom. Everyone has it at some point of their life because of the long sitting hours of work, computer, phone. We are constantly looking downwards and our lifestyle is in such a way that neck pain is a very common complaint. Ayurveda has a wide range of treatment options, wide range of formulations and procedures that cures the root cause. But today we're going to talk about a very simple process which is Manya Basti or Griva Basti. You might have heard about this process, but I am going to talk about the conditions where we as a practitioner use these procedures, in which all procedures we combine Manya Basti with other procedures, how you can do it at home and get the result from day one, and along with that, just in case if you don't have 30 minutes from your 24 hours, how you can do the process alone or by one of your family member within a very short period of time, let's say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and with a very less amount of energy is something that we are going to discuss in this video. Griva Basti or Manya Basti along with alternatives where you will not hesitate, you will definitely do it because it's a very simple technique. So let us begin with this video. What is Griva Basti? So Griva or Manya, this word means neck, and Basti, which is the pulling, oil pulling, right? So over here, let us first talk about which all conditions or what are the indications of Manya Basti or Griva Basti. Let's talk about the indications, then we'll move to the procedure, then the formulations, and then we'll talk about the other combinations when it comes to the painful conditions, how Ayurveda is treating them. So talking about which all conditions Manya Basti is useful. So number one, I'd like to talk about cervical spondylosis. It is a degenerative condition. It mainly affects the joints and the disc, which is a cushion-like material between each two bones of the spine or the backbone. It is caused because of the wear and tear process of the cartilages and bones forming the cervical vertebrae. Again, Griva Basti in such condition extremely beneficial. Moving further, it is whiplash. It occurs when the head is backwards or the head goes backwards and suddenly it comes ahead, suddenly it comes forward. While horse riding or cycle accident or some sports injury, physical activity, this is commonly seen, and there is a sudden jerk or a sudden motion which causes the stretch and tear of the muscles of the neck. So somewhere it affects the muscles of the neck, and here Griva Basti has the best results to give strength to the muscles of the neck. Moving further, it is rheumatoid arthritis. In Ayurveda 5000 years ago, it is beautifully explained under the heading of arm vat. Patient experiences, in the joints there is pain, swelling and inflammation, and over here if the patient complains of the neck pain, then Griva Basti is useful. Although for rheumatoid arthritis there are some other procedures that need to be combined, procedures like Shirodhara, Nasya, main treatment is the dry fermentation, the Churna Pinda Svet or the Valuka Potli Svet. Certain Valuka tied in a potli and heated over gas, and a proper shake is given, a dry fermentation is given all over the body, and these procedures have best results. It's a very severe condition, it's an autoimmune disease, so over here a combination treatment is very useful. Other complaints, other conditions like there is sports injuries, there is strains, there is sprains, or there is Paget's disease, there is again ankylosing spondylitis, there is polymyalgia rheumatica. For all these conditions, Griva Basti is having the best result. Moving further to headache and migraine, patients experience that earlier it was one tablet in a week to reduce the pain. Now it's one tablet every single day. Patient tells us that at every 4 hours, every 5 hours we have to pop a pill, and we at least get 5 to 10% relief or 10 to 20% relief. At least we are able to live our life, at least we are able to do something. The pain reduces, they have no other option, and when patients come to Ayurveda, they have the best results within a very short period of time. Within about 5 to 10 minutes time, patient sees long-term changes by just doing the jugular Rakta Mokshan or the cubital vein Rakta Mokshan. As the impure blood is let out of the body, patient feels fresh. In the initial stage, patient questions that blood is out of my body. When I have headache, will I have weakness? When I have vertigo, you're removing my blood, will I have weakness? But as soon as we do the Rakta Mokshan, the kind of improvements, the kind of changes that patient feels, after 5 to 6 days, the patient in most cases calls us back again. So when should we come for Rakta Mokshan? That's the question the patient asks. So over here Ayurveda has a lot of things to offer. Again, Nasya over here, Nasya with Kumkumadi Grut or Kumkumadi Tel. We've spoken in our video of how to cure headache permanently. Many patients have done Kumkumadi Grut Nasya from day one. They've seen the changes, wrote down their feedback in the comment section. Feels great to show that the simple remedies of Ayurveda gives long-term result to the patient. Patients knew that Kumkumadi Tel is for the face, for pigmentation, dark spots, for glow, etc. But when done in the form of Nasya, nasal installation, how it is reducing or curing the vertigo, migraine, headache, epilepsy, and various other manasik rog as well, along with the recurrent headaches or the migraine episodes that the patient has. So for all these cases, again for headache and migraine as well, patient says there is cervical spondylosis or neck pain. Griva Basti is the first treatment that can be done. So in all these conditions, Manya Basti is having really good results. This is why you should do it. Now let's understand how you should do it. Why is clear, how is going to be very easy. So how should you do it? Let us understand further. So there are certain steps that are mentioned in the classical text. Various doctors use it in different ways, different steps here and there. Let me give you a very easy process that you can very easily follow at home. Number one is oil massage for 5 minutes. So you can use various medicated oils. The one that we use in our practice is Active Ved India, Ortho C liniment. You can also use Rheuma Ved oil or Rheuma Jessic oil. You can use classical oils like there is Saucharadi Tel, Dhanvantaram Tel, there is Mahanarayan Tel, Ashwagandhadi Tel. All these oils, they are of various different companies, they make them. You can choose any company, you can use any oil. If you are not accessible to any Ayurvedic doctors, Ayurvedic centers, Ayurvedic treatments or any medicated oils, you can simply use the Til Tel that you have at home. It is having great results. Uttam Vat Shamak. So Til Tel is a thumbs up. You can use Til Tel. So first step, you have to heat the oil indirectly, massage over the neck area for 5 minutes followed by steam. You can give steam using a steamer. You can take a cloth, you can put it over gas and give a heat over there, or you can just apply hot water back. Any one for 5 minutes. 5 minutes oil massage, 5 minutes steam. Third most important step, again for first two step, if you don't have time, if you cannot do it, skip it. It's okay, because these days we have to plan the treatment as per patient's convenience, so that the patient starts liking Ayurveda, starts loving Ayurveda, and the patient is comfortable with an Ayurvedic treatment. That's the overall motive over here, that you love Ayurveda, you're comfortable, and you're getting results as well. So third step over here is that you need black gram flour. I'll put a video over here. You can watch this video simultaneously as I'm speaking in this video. So take black gram flour, put some water, make a nice paste thick enough, and you have to create a circle. You have to create a circle and a bridge and just place it over the neck area. In this video I may show it to you how we are doing it at the back area. You can do exactly similar way how we are doing it at the neck area. So simply put it over the neck area, cover the edges between the bridge and the skin, cover the edges properly. You can use a cotton ball, you can use a gauze, or best is you can use this black gram flour. You can just cover the edges so whenever you put oil, the oil doesn't leak out. Your bridge is ready, it's of proper height, it's thick enough, and now it's time to put the oil. It's time to create the swimming pool, the oil pool, right? So you need the medicated oils or the tail, remove it in a bowl, heat it indirectly, take a syringe, a 10 ml or a 20 ml syringe, or you can take a cloth or a cotton ball. You can fill the syringe and with a proper height, just pour it drop by drop. You can pour the oil using cotton. You can just squeeze the cotton or squeeze the cloth and the oil will be poured into the bridge. Over here, make sure the oil is hot enough that the patient bears it, the skin is not burnt, warm or hot enough that the patient is okay with it, but also warm or hot that the patient should feel the warmth, should see the changes. So from a proper height you pour it and prepare a proper bridge. Keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you'll see it is back to room temperature. Remove the oil using the glycerine syringe or the cotton ball, put it in the kadai, heat it indirectly once again do it second time, again remove, again do it third time. Takes about 25 minutes to 40 minutes to do it, may take 45 minutes. After you do this, remove the bridge, and you can keep it in a container, you can store it in the fridge. Each time you do this treatment, you can use the same bridge, you can use the same black gram flour. You don't need to prepare or use it again and again. Yes, you need to prepare the bridge again, but you don't need new fresh gram flour, right? You can use the same one. When it comes to oil, many people may not afford the oil because oils are really costly. So you may not afford the oil. So you can use the same oil for 7 days, 10 days, 15 days. You can do that. You can change it every 3-4 days, all up to you, but you can repeat it. You can change it every 7 to 15 days as well. Doing it in the way that we are explaining you is more important than all these repetitions of changing the oil, etc. Okay, so moving further, once you remove the bridge, once you clean the entire part, or you just massage the oil with the leftover oil that's over the neck area, after that you can take a cotton sheet or a cloth, you can dip it in this warm oil. Again you have to heat it again, so warm oil, and you can just lay that cloth or cotton ball or cotton sheet over the neck area, not a cotton ball, a cotton sheet over the neck area, and just keep it like that. Tell the patient to go to sleep. Keep it for 30 to 45 minutes and it will give you really great results. Just in case if you don't have the time to do the oil massage or the steam or the entire basti process, simply take the cotton sheet or a cloth, dip it into warm oil thick enough, exactly how we explained you in this particular clip over here. So lay it over the neck area and keep it like that. After every 10 minutes, just take this glycerine syringe, fill it with oil, and with a height just pour it over the cloth, over the area. Over here you save the energy to prepare the bridge, and you don't need anything. You just need a sheath or a cloth and a medicated oil, that's all. So every 10 minutes you can just keep on adding warm hot oils, and of course equally beneficial result changes from day one. For a minimum period of 7 to 15 days you have to do it. You can do it for 90 days to have the best results. At any time of the day you can do it. It brings about lightness in the body, gives strength to the muscles, to the bones of the neck. It gives strength to the muscles of the neck, and most important point when it comes to Ayurvedic treatment is an overall sense of well-being. In most cases with other treatments, the pain must be gone, the patient is relieved, cured, but there is no sense of well-being. And with Ayurvedic treatment, patient says that yes, I'm feeling light, and there is an overall sense of well-being, a sign where I somewhere feel that I have started becoming healthy. So that's the beauty of Ayurveda. Again, once again coming back, Ayurveda has a wide range of procedures, treatment options, formulations to cure the root cause of many severe, incurable, painful condition. That's the strength and beauty of Ayurveda. These are the simple remedies many patients in the villages, many patients in the foreign countries where they have no access to Ayurveda or Ayurvedic doctors, Ayurvedic treatments, they have seen all of these videos, and it feels great when they comment down below to give us their feedback how they have felt after following the simple remedies of Ayurveda. So that's the beauty of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is for us, Ayurveda is ours, we must follow it, and definitely we will fall in love with it. That is Ayurveda for all of us. And most treatments that you hear today, which is hijama cupping, horn cupping, or acupuncture, magnet therapy, Reiki, pranic healing, or most treatments that you hear today, the origin is Ayurveda. It is for all of us. Make sure you make the most out of all of this. Do like, share this video further, and do write down your questions, your views, your feedback in the comment section below. This was all for today. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.